Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Elmer's glue, the cloudy strawberry, right, which is right here. This one is the blue one. I hope it smells like blueberry, because that's why it has blueberry in the title. I think it's supposed to smell like that. I don't know, but we're gonna review it in like 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So right here we have it. Okay, we're gonna open it up. I'm not gonna. Why do I realize that it's gonna smell something? Okay, once we open it. Ooh! Oh my god, this smells like the slushy at Circle K. Oh my god. Wow, that was satisfying how I got it out. Wait, hold up. Is this some of the slushy from Circle K? I am confused. Is this sand? Oh my god. I didn't even know. Why does it smell like the slushy at Circle K? I'm so confused. Like when you get the slushy, it smells like so good. That's what it smells like. And this is like the sand one. I can barely get them out. I barely can't even get them out. Wow, this is really a lot. I cannot even barely get it out. It's like it's so a lot. Okay, so, I don't know. Whoa. Now that looks like it's got a wet. I don't even know. What am I doing? Whoa. Oh, it smells so much good. If you guys want this, I can make this in the section below. And you guys can check out my website at noahnationavengers.com, or you can see on the screen up there the blue text, or you can see it like up here or down here or whatever. I don't know. You guys can subscribe to my channel. You can see the mouse clicking that subscribe button, that like button at the same time. You guys can click on the bell if you want to. You get notified every single time I post, and I post every single week, every single Sunday. Most of the time I post some toy videos, most of the time I post gaming videos. Wow, that was satisfying how that thing dropped. I don't know, but I think that's it, right? I think that's it, and if you guys want this, you can skip below through Amazon, and check out my website at noahnationavengers.com. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I think that's it. Bye-bye.